This is Module 8, Lesson 1, and what we're doing is taking a moment to look back at actually Modules 6 and Module 7. The reason that I'm taking the time to do this and look at ionic versus covalent bonding is because this is a really big part of our curriculum and tends to be a really big part of the final exam. If you look at the NC final exam released version that is out, the full version from 2013, I think it's 8 out of 40 questions are about either ionic or covalent bonding. And as we move forward into our other modules, I know that what we've learned in these past two modules tend to come back up a lot. Like, we need those skills. If we understand how to properly write the formulas, then we can start to break them down in some of our other units that are in the future. So I only have one slide, and what we're doing is just comparing and contrasting here. You can read what's on the screen. What's important to me is that you know the difference in the properties between the two types of compounds, that you understand what makes the two different types of compounds, and that you understand how to write and name those. What I know from working with face-to-face students over the years is that almost every single student gets these two things confused. So we're going to take a moment to do some practice with this. Since this has been such a short lesson, and since it is such a short practice, you need to go on and do the next lesson as well. That would be to your benefit to go ahead and start it. I'm going to set the due date at a later date, just because I figure some of you may have issues with this and you need a little bit more time on it. So don't wait until tomorrow to do that. Go ahead and start it after you do this one. So as you can figure, it's practice time. You have a little practice asking you to compare and contrast, and then the main thing after that is the difference of writing and naming those compounds. So get to it.